It's Nick, and I'm showing you one of the easiest and fastest ways to make chili using the Carfagna's chili mix. Start by browning 1 pound of ground beef. Break it up and let it crumble. If you like a spicier chili, you can use chorizo sausage, or for a lighter chili, use ground turkey. This chili is relatively mild, so I like to season the ground beef with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and chili powder. You can modify this step to your taste. Once the ground beef is browned, remove it from the heat and drain all the fat from the ground beef. This jar is the magic jar. It has all the sauce and beans you need for a yummy chili with little to no work. Dump it into a pot, add your drained and browned ground beef, and then stir to combine. Once you have everything stirred together, bring the mixture to a boil, and then let it simmer to warm through. Feel free to add more ingredients or spices to your liking at this step. Once the chili's warm, you can go ahead and serve it with your favorite toppings. I always like to add green onions to my chili. I think they bring some freshness to the dish. There we go, a pretty easy and quick way to make chili. We hope you enjoy, everybody. Thanks for watching.